Aesthetic Next was really helpful in helping us select a package of sponsorship to really get us the most access and engagement with attendees as possible. A lot of trade shows that we go to is a very sterile environment. You just kind of set up a booth and hope that people walk by. What I enjoy most about exhibiting at Aesthetic Next is the amount of interaction that we have with attendees. So as far as the interaction we receive with the people that we're trying to connect with, it's exceeded our expectations. We did do a live workshop demoing equipment, which was very well attended. Maylin and Dakota did a great job showcasing some of our technologies. The Aesthetic Next group of attendees is very well connected. It was really exciting to see people from different parts of the country. It's a very inclusive environment, and we look forward to their event every year.